case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2007 copyright infringement case, Troll Company and Uneeda Doll Company battled over ownership of the Wishnick troll dolls. Danish woodcarver Thomas Dam had created the Good Luck Troll in the late 1950s, but the copyright was invalidated in 1965, leading numerous companies to market the dolls. Troll Company claimed ownership under Section 104A of the Copyright Act, while Uneeda Doll Company argued that Troll Company could not prove ownership, and that it could sell its existing inventory during a one-year sell-off period as a reliance party. The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit ruled that Troll Company was likely to prove ownership, and that Uneeda was not a reliance party. As a result, the court affirmed the preliminary injunction granted to Troll Company, prohibiting Uneeda from manufacturing, distributing, or selling Wishnick dolls until the case was resolved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.